Kool Facts. Welcome to Kool Facts. Ten interesting facts.
The Swiss marry late. The average marriage age for Swiss men is 31.8 and 29.5 for women. The average age for Swiss women to have their first child is 30.4 years. Switzerland has 7,000 lakes, with an area of 580.03 km2, 224 square mi. Lake Geneva is the largest lake in Switzerland. Switzerland owns lots of guns, but has the lowest crime rates. Switzerland actually has one of the lowest crime rates of all industrialized countries. People of Switzerland drink a lot. The Swiss population consume 36 liters of wine, 56.5 liters of beer and 8.4 liters of pure alcohol per person per year. They have 4 national languages. Their 4 national languages are French, German, Italian, and Romansh. Switzerland is home to 208 mountains over 3,000 meters high. Switzerland has more high peaks than any other country in Europe, with 48 that are above 4,000 meters. Swiss people make and eat a lot of chocolate. Switzerland is known internationally for its high-quality chocolate. Approximately 172,376 tons of chocolate are made, and about 11 kilos of chocolate per person are eaten per year. Switzerland is birthplace of the Red Cross. The Red Cross has 97 million volunteers and was founded in 1863 in Geneva, Switzerland, where its headquarters still remain today. Switzerland's Gotthard Tunnel is the longest in the world, measuring 57 kilometers in length. It is 7 kilometers longer than the Channel Tunnel between England and France. It took 17 years to complete it. Albert Einstein developed his famous formula for mass energy equivalency equals mc2 in Switzerland. He developed his theory of relativity while studying and living in Bern.
Thank you for watching it. What interesting facts are there in your countries? Tell us in the comments below this video.